A year ago, I literally filmed a video titled Never Look Ugly Anymore, and I shared with you 5 budget ways on how to look high maintenance. But today, literally putting on the same outfit I wore a year ago, I have realized, being a year older, that it is now way beyond the point of not looking ugly anymore to having self-respect for yourself. I believe looking put together is the highest form of self-respect that a human being, especially women, can actually give themselves in 2026. Hi! Welcome and welcome back to yet again another video. It's the first time. Hi, my name is Goodness. And on days like this, when I'm pissed about something, I pick up my camera and start filming. So if you want to see much more ranting sessions like this in form of a video, then you do have to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So let's get to why we are here. First and foremost, I'm just coming from somewhere. I went out. And whenever I go out like this, especially when it's a conference or a setup that is targeted or centered around young people, young adults, and I see my girls. I see my girls falling my hand, disappointing me. And I'm not going to put it that I don't want to be the only one standing out in a room of 100, 200 people. I want to see every single one of us looking our best. I don't care if it's a Sunday or not Sunday. I want to see you wearing your Sunday's best. So when I step out, I'm seeing everybody looking very... It gets me angry, and that's what really provokes me to sitting down and filming this video, because what the heck? I know this topic is a very controversial video, but like, work with me here, okay? Because a lot of times people like to attribute taking time to look put together to different external things, and oftentimes it can be as a result of poor upbringing or traumatic experiences or just lack of information at that point in time in their lives. But I'm here today to correct all those things and let you know the truth. I may not even get to the people that you're supposed to get to in life because of you don't look put together. Fight me. Oh, sorry, you can't. So without much rambling, let's get it started. The first thing I need you to understand is that the world responds to what it sees. There's a reason why we have this saying that goes, dress the way you want to be addressed. Before people get to know your awesome personality, before they get to see your records, before they get to see your CV, before they get to see your proposal, before they get to even know that you had first class, how you present yourself matters. Even when I'm talking to you right now, there are a lot of people that I became friends with or got to know because of I loved what they were wearing. I loved their shoes. I loved their hair. I wanted to know where they bought their hair from. I wanted to know where they got their nails from. And it's because of how they looked that convinced, okay, because of you can put this much effort into how you look, I want to hear what you have to say in your head. Okay, I know the word is not fair, but baby girl, you have to use it. Fair or unfair, you have to work with what happens in real life. Because we cannot be playing, oh, because of she looks like this, that's why they give her a job. Why can't you look like that? Because in 2026, we're all about getting our goals, getting our visions, but we are in June. June is basically almost even done. And you're up there around ranting about how when you go get this, nobody attends to you. Have you checked how you look in the mirror? If you look at yourself, will you even want to even toast yourself? If I begin to sit down here and tell the benefits of how looking put together will boost or act like a catalyst to getting into certain rooms that you never ever think you could get into, will get you to meet people that you never even thought you could even get to meet. You get you to be in situations. Me personally, I can attest to that. Okay, because I've been in some spaces where I never dreamt I could be in. I've had to talk to people that I never thought, like, I was speaking to them like, oh my God, pinch me, am I dreaming? Because I look good. And this is not a form of, okay, I'm trying to be proud. I know I look good because I put time into looking good. So you can't tell me nothing. And that I want you to understand is that looking good is not for another person. You're doing it for you. It's literally for you. Because people tend to think that, okay, they start putting effort into how I look, other people will start treating me differently. It might not always really be the case sometimes, okay? So you don't start thinking that, okay, I looked good yesterday, nobody really approached me, they went back to your trashy looking nature. That just means that you had the whole thing wrong from the first instance, from the first place. Looking good is not for anybody. Looking good is literally you just respecting the time that God took to create you. Then again, think about it. You're literally God's temple. This is God's temple. You're literally inhabiting God in you. And you're inhabiting God in you, you're looking like trash. Even God will punish. I'm sorry. Cut. Because like, it's so pissing. You have just one life to live in this one, and you want to go about that life looking like trash. The biggest benefit is that you begin to treat yourself a lot better. Because tell me you did not like when you went for that spa. You did not like when they put hot coals on your back. Didn't you like it? Swear that you did not like it. I feel like sometimes, especially where I come from, there's this, I don't know what it's called, there's this There's this flex they like to make with struggle. What is it about making people soft? I want to be soft. Why do you want to be hard? I know the problem. You like hard bread. Don't you like soft bread? When I take care of my appearance, when I speak differently, when I walk differently, when I do my hair differently, it's not for another person. If you're thinking that it's for another person to come and talk to me, it's not for them. It's literally for me and for God in heaven, because I'm like, God, I thank you for this hair that I can brush and I can style. I thank you that I can move my hand. I'm going to moisturize it so that when I enter the sun, it's going to be shining and be glowing. Are you seeing this glow? Yeah. So it's not for anybody. And if you don't love yourself, child, I don't know what you're doing on my channel. When you become much more intentional with yourself, it shows. First of all, your confidence level. I said this in somebody sometime, and the person was like laughing out of their mind that sometimes I be in spaces and I have jack idea. I have zero idea of what they are saying. But they see me and I'm like, oh, you're just nodding your head. I'm like, yeah, I was not, because I'm trying to understand. I don't understand what's going on. Because if I look put together, nobody will ever know. Once you look put together, you know you look put together. Your confidence level skyrockets. You will not let any kind of rubbish come to you. I'm not saying you should go about behaving mad or having bad behavior because of what you look put together, but you get it. It's easier to get away with certain things when you look put together. I can't even over-explain that right now. And I know right now I'm talking about all of these things now. Some people are trying checking the account balance to see, okay, how much do I have? Can I schedule a manicure and pedicure session next week? And I'm like, I don't have the money. I don't know a single day I have money. It's a lie. It's not about the money. That's the funny thing. It's not about the money. You have to want to do it for yourself. And God being God, once He sees in your heart that you clearly want to get something done, He does find a way to provide the money for you. Some way, somehow, money will come. Because even God is a girl dad, and He knows that His girl has to get her beauty maintenance done. But if you're not working with God, how will He let those things flow to you? Okay, I don't want you to think about, okay, you need to have X amount of cash in your account, or you need to have X amount of savings. It's not about money. I need you to take your mind from that point of view that you need to have this amount of money if you can do certain things for yourself. No, you need to put in your heart that you won't get it done for yourself. That's the first thing you need to get done. And secondly, you're not using what you have around you. And let me show you something. This bag here, you can see it. This bag contains all the nail stuff I need to do. My actual nail set I have right now, I got it done myself at home. See? This on a very good day can cost me close to around 27 bar. But I tell you, I know what. So can I prove to you guys that it's not a money matter? I bought this from Temu. That's one. But counting, see the bag. Yeah. I got this as well. This is the actual nail polish. I won't still see the paint from it. This is the actual nail polish I did use. I got like all the things, like my top coat, base coat. Everything is literally in this bag. And if I didn't tell you that I did my nails myself, hands and feet, by the way, at home, would you believe me? But and everything there, everything is Temu. You guys know Temu now. You know Temu. So everything there, they don't cost me the amount it cost me to get this done every month. Okay? So you need to take your mind away from, oh, I need to have money to get them done. They don't even need to be painted. Just take them out, trim them. And let's even say you're not even a girl that likes to get her nails done, or if you're a guy that does not really care about this kind of things. Basic things that you can do to actually look put together. Iron your clothes. Fix your posture. Don't slouch. You're not sure. Should actually slouch. I don't know. I can't remember. But walk upright. If you just test out a little bit, it's not going to kill anybody. Chin up. Okay? Basic things. Clean your shoes. When you're wearing a shoe that has a white sole, take out time, wipe the white sole of your shoe, ensure that it does not have any dirt from the previous time you wore it. Basic thing like that. Moisturize your body. Apply lotion. Let your skin shine. You say, look like what God created. It's the intentionality for me. I'm pretty sure that you guys actually take out time to much more non-productive things. So you cannot tell him that you cannot take out time to look put together. You cannot even be saying that kind of thing. Take out time, even if it's as tiny as how much? $10. Go get your hair done. Buy some nice new shoes. They can be treated for all I care. There's no need to be designer things. Looking expensive and spending money are two different things entirely. You need to separate that, because most people like to say, oh, if I look where I start with now, money will start going. No. You can take your time. The ones that you have, iron them. Some of us actually rather, instead of meeting what we have right now, rather go and buy new things. But no, it's not about buy. What you have right now, use it. Use it. Iron your clothes, wash your clothes. If any of your clothes has like a wear or tear, stitch it up. Okay? You will not die. Buy new buttons, buy new zips, fix the clothes that you already have right now. Instead of buying new clothes entirely. Don't just be thinking about money, money, money. Some of us are too money minded. Are you rich now? I was talking to me like this now. So please, everything is not money, money, money. Basic things, be intentional, take time to look good. Stop rushing. Jeez. And since we are on the matter of clothes and we're on topic of clothes, I need you to stop waiting for a special occasion. Yeah, that's the thing. I used to do it before. I used to have some dresses in my wardrobe that the day will come that I will rock this outfit. Most of us, we have some clothes that when they do this, when I get this song, when I get that. Yeah, it's very good, but sometimes the way life is, we don't really know when it's going to be our time up. So how about you enjoy the time that you have right now? When that time comes, God provide money to buy the things I want to turn up for that time, okay? So stop doing, let me keep this one. Let me know where it's now. One thing I've realized as I've gotten older is that I need to start learning how to live in the moment. Every day I wake up and God wakes me up is the day. It's a special occasion itself, okay? I can get up, I can move my neck anyhow, I can move my hand. That alone is a special occasion because guess what? Not everybody can do that. I stop doing all this. When I get married, I'll start doing this. When I have boyfriend, I'll start doing my nails. That's so sad. Do it right now because not in fact that you may not really know what will happen tomorrow. You may not know where you will be tomorrow, what might really be happening in your life that tomorrow you're waiting for. If you keep postponing and procrastinating the best version of yourself that you can become today to tomorrow, you will never be that person that you want to become because the person you're going to become tomorrow is a result of the constant habits that you're practicing right now. The future that you're waiting for you to come so that you can start doing all those things for yourself. The image of yourself that you have in the future will never become a reality if you don't start practicing those things that you want to see in that future today. Because if you try that tomorrow, it's going to be your today. And don't start doing them today, it's still going to be like same day tomorrow. Okay? So start these things now. Do not wait so that by the time that future comes, that future that you're waiting for, that action that you're waiting for, that marriage, that boyfriend, that job contract that you're waiting for comes, it's going to be as easy as breathing. To become a lifestyle, a culture for you already. If I didn't make this clear at the beginning of this video, I want to make it clear now that this video is not about being prettier than other women. It's not about being a pick-me girl. It's not about attracting men or attracting other things I want to go and attract. And this also isn't about getting everything done in 2 weeks, being that best version of yourself in 1 week or in 1 month. We don't do perfection here on this channel. It's about walking into a room and looking like you are supposed to be in there. Walking into a room looking like you own the room, looking like you're the largest stakeholder in the room. Because when you treat yourself like someone valuable, when you treat yourself like someone that clearly calls the shot, like someone that does not take nonsense, when you begin to look like and believe, because you cannot practice what you don't actually believe in yourself. You have to first believe that you call the shots. And then if you call the shots, we saw that calls the shot look like this. How would they walk? How would they sit? And when you begin to do all those things, people notice. People actually notice. It might not be a 1 week thing, but trust me, gradually, when you keep at it, people come and say, what's going on? Like, what happened? Anything happened? It's so that you look different. And it's different good. And even more importantly, you showed up for yourself. You didn't do it for any man, you didn't do it for anybody, you did it for yourself. And God in heaven will even be happy to even pour more into you because you're now beginning to take that which you created with utmost respect. With all this being said, I hope you walk into this new week looking, acting, speaking, walking, sitting, driving like you're the biggest stakeholder in that space. Because guess what, baby girl? You are, because God is your daddy. Thank you for watching this video. If you love anything about this video, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Once again, my name is Goodness. And if you want to see much more videos like this, check out this video right here on your screen. Till next time.